Okay, so from today we will just go for um, we will study verb. For the first time we are discussing verb. The first day we just discussed that the Arabic word can be a harf, it can be a ism or fi'l. In English, an Arabic word can be a preposition, noun, and verb. Up till now, we have discussed, we have seen the preposition and they will be used. An important thing, their meaning, li, min, fi, be. Without their meaning, that will not be useful. So we should know there is just a small table. We should know the meaning of all those. We should spend some time to build a vocabulary. There is no separate class to build a vocabulary. Already we have vocabulary, we use that. The second thing is noun. We have seen some example of noun, and especially in the second session, all discussion is about the noun. That what are the nouns, then their properties of noun, status of noun, and that we are already doing in detail in the second session. And the third and important thing is verb. And from now onward, our most of the discussion in the first class will be about verb. That how the what is verb, how it is used in Quran or in Arabic Quranic grammar, how we will group into different category, and then we will see one verb, and we will make multiple verbs from one word of verb. And we all know that the verb is basically that will tell us about an action. Noun is just a name of place, thing, object, that is. And preposition is just used to complete the sentence. But what is the action? In every verse there is the action. Action is the most important thing for any sentence. So verb will tell us about an action with respect to time. Time means there are two things, three things are very important when we discuss the verb about with respect to time. Like, is it happened in the past, present, and future? Past, present, and future. So, verb past tense, we know that it is complete sentence. And in Arabic, past tense is called al-fi'lul madi. Al-fi'lul madi, the past tense. And the present tense will be al-fi'lul mudari'. And the last is future tense. In Arabic, there will be no need of third type future tense. Failul mudare will be same time it will be a present tense, and also it will be dealt as future tense. In English, we know that there is I wrote a letter, I write a letter, I will write a letter. There is past, present, and future. But here in Arabic, the past tense will be fa'ilul madi. Present tense and future tense, we will have only one tense, that will be al fa'ilul mudari'. First, we should just read that. We should know the meaning. That the most important tense, there are two. One is about the past tense, and one will be about present and future together. So, fi'lul madi, past tense, and fi'lul mudari', future and present together. And then we will see that about fi'lul amr and fi'lul nahi, about the command and just stopping someone to from that action. That will be fi'lul amr and fi'lul nahi. So most this in verb, what will be our discussion about what is fi'lul madi? We will take one verb, we will make from that verb madi, then we will derive mudare, amr, and nahi. But the important thing to understand for today, just to make it easy, we are going to start about verb. Verb are two types, al fi'lul madi and fi'lul mudare. Madi is about past tense, and mudare is future tense. Past tense, like this example, if you can see on the left side of screen here, just in English: he did, they did, you did, you all did, I did, we did. What is the action here? Did is the action. here in English, if we look at that, there are two things. One is the action and one is the doer, he. Similarly, they did. Did is the action, they is doer. You is doer. You all is doer. I and then we. Order will be same. Always we will take the order same. It will start from third person singular, third person plural. Second person singular, second person plural. First person singular and first person plural. We. And if we look at the English, he did, it means we need two things. One is the doer and second is the action. Up till now, if we see the knowledge that we already know that detached pronouns huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. If I know the Arabic term for did, I can make it with the help. But you will see something interesting here. There will be no need of two words. There will be single word, single verb will be there, and he will cover that single verb will cover both things, the doer and the action. But before going to that, first of all, just see, because we know the target language, that order will remain same. He, they, you all, I, we. And we are taking example of did. Fi'l is also means action. Al-fi'lul madi. Today our topic is about past al-fi'lul madi. And this is, we are very clear, there is no question in this. But how we will make it in Arabic, you will see here. Look at that. Fa'ala. This is the first. He did. There is no he here. He is inside of that. So there is no need of huwa here. So just look at the one word, fa'ala. So this is the starting word and its meaning is he did. Okay, now he, from the same, we will derive it. How we will derive it? Next will should be they did. There is a change at the ending. From the beginning, it will be same. Just we add u, fa'alu. They did. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Whenever I look at this ending, wow, it means they. This will be the doer. They did. Next will be fa'alta. Ta, you did. I already know that it started with fa'ala, but there is a changing happening at change is happening at the end. Fa'alta, ta fata ta. This ta will tell me that it is you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. So what is the difference between fa'alta and fa'altu? Okay, there I would know the meaning of this. I know its meaning is did, but this ending ta mean you, and when it will be tu, it is I. And then we have fa'alna. Na mean we. We already know nahnu will change into na, rabbuna. But here it is not attached pronoun. Fa'alna. They are just the ending sound. It is part of the verb. But the ending sound, these ending word will tell me the doer. Like it started with fa'ala. This is the main important practice and it will continue for next couple of months, inshallah. So this is again fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. If there will be any other verb will come, the ending sound will remain same. Ta, u, ta, tum, tu, na. This will always be there. Only change will be in the beginning of that verb. We are just learning one verb. That is fa'ala. Fa'ala means he did. Let me choose someone from here. Imad,
Yes.
go ahead.
فعل, he did. فعلوا, they did. فعلت, you did. فعلتم, you all did. فعلت, I did. فعلنا, we did.
And what is this sentence?
فعل الماضي.
In English, we will say it as
past tense.
past tense. Let me give you another task. I give you that here. Just replace fa with jim. So what it will become?
جعل.
Ja'ala. Let us consider that we don't know the meaning of ja'ala, but ja'ala is a Arabic verb. Can you please make, okay, you just replace fa with jim, so we have ja'ala. Can you please go ahead?
جعل. جعلوا. جعلت. جعلتم. جعلت. جعلنا.
If I give you the meaning of ja'ala, you can tell me the meaning of all others. Ja'ala means he made. Go ahead.
Okay. جعل, he made. جعلوا, they made. جعلت, you made. جعلتم, you all made. جعلت, I made. جعلنا, we made.
We made. So this is all about the verb. Verb is that is past. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Two important thing is whenever we look at the verb, there are two things. One will be doer and one will be action. We cannot say fa'ala to do. That is something else. Not every word meaning is did. There is a doer is very important, and it is the past. He fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'alta, what is the doer here? You. Fa'altum, what is the doer? You all. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. As I give one example to Imad, and I just ask him that I am replacing one letter, so I get another verb, ja'ala. And he made all six, and I just gave him the exam meaning of that word ja'ala, and he did everything. Like here, ja'ala, it is a new verb. So it will be ja'ala, ja'alu. But see here, ending is always same. U, ta, tum, tu, na. U, ta, tum, tu, na. And these, and from ending sound, we will recognize the doer. He, he, they, you all, I, we. Let's take one more. Burak.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Let me give you one example of fataha. Now, totally change for all the participants. I am giving him the one verb that is fataha. Its meaning is, let's say, he opened. Leave other meaning. So, there are how many letters here, Burak?
We,
What is the first letter?
ta,
Second?
ta,
Third?
ha,
Ha. Now, fataha. So, what will be the first one?
fataha,
Okay, keep going.
fatahu, fatahta, fatahtum, fatahtu, fatahna.
Okay, fataha. If I give the meaning is he open. Now with translation.
Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahna, we opened.
When he is replacing, he is not looking at fa'ala. He is looking at this one. Fataha. Next one will be fatahu. Keep the same one. Fatahta. Fatahtum. Fatahtu. Fatahna. The first starting will be the same sound. We are replacing it here, but here only we are just fit it here just to look at the ending sound. Fataha, fatahu, fatahta, fatahtum, fatahtu, fatahna. One more participant from here. I see brother Shuaib.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Your task is, let me give you rafa'a. Its meaning is he raised. First task is to make six past tense, six verb from here. Rafa'a,
Okay, inshallah. Rafa'a, he raised. Rafa'u, they raised. Rafa'ta, you raised. Fatahtum,
rafa',
rafa'tum, you all raised. Rafa'tu, I raised. And rafa'na, we raised.
we raised. Very nice. MashaAllah. Thank you. So every time we have to look at the starting. What is this? Rafa'a, rafa'u, rafa'ta, rafa'tum, rafa'tu, rafa'na. Starting here. And why we are fitting it here, only ending sound will be same. The starting three letters, they will always be there, and meaning, inshallah. So today we learn fa'ala, he did, ja'ala, he made, and then there are some Arabic word and these are Quranic word here. So fataha, he opened, rafa'a, he raised, and we can make six. We know the meaning of one verb, and now after fitting it here in the table, completing madi, and we have the sixth one. That's the only today's lecture. We have to go to the breakout room.